afternoon everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Dani, also known as Street by Dani, and for today's video guys, we will be going to a special launch event of Titan and LeBron James' 5th collaborative project, the Titan Nike LeBron Next Gen Amped in the Hope colorway. So this project celebrates the shared core values of LeBron and Titan, beginning with hope. Ayun guys, binasa ko na lang siya kasi baka mali masasabi ko sa inyo. So we will be going to their event which will be held at Gameville Ballpark. And sobrang excited ako guys kasi they will be having mga basketball camps, meron sila yung mga mini games, and they will also have an open run with yung Deer Valley Titans and yung mga Nike athletes. So marami siguro talaga tayo makikita later. So super excited. And guys, hindi ako lalaro kasi I am not in condition to play as of the moment. Soon, baka maglalaro na ulit ako. So, i-condition ko muna sarili ko, guys. One step at a time tayo. So, I think that's it. Super excited na ako to see the sneaker live. And siguro later, I'll try to do a short unboxing with you guys. So, I think that's it. Let's go!
Young guy, what it is, how you living up? Young thing, and she sing, let me beat it up. See me out in my ride, wanna key it up. He got a Kia, I got a Beamer. She got a Fiat, like Italian. She wanna ride up, I'm a stallion. See me styling, I'm a rider. You right, you wait and we drive to the high. It ain't
Trickin' if you know, baby you know, mama you are with the right man. Juno, tell me what you wanna do. I will make it happen. I just wanna get you home and. Yes, I'm drinking whiskey, baby. I am gone tonight. NBC is not the only thing I'm coming on tonight. Gross. Why the fuck I say these things? It isn't over. Haven't heard the chubby ladies sing. Everybody love me. Call a nigga Raymond. These weak niggas are Ray-Bans. Yes, I bring the heat, girl. Fire for fireman. Baby, I'm a hero. Down in the Spider-Man.
Nice one! Okay guys, so we are now here sa Titan Court dito sa Gameville. So sa Mandaluyong lang siya guys, malapit siya sa Greenfield. So sorry pala sa bangs ko guys, nasira na siya, pagod na siya. So ayan guys, as you can see, ang super nice nung court. Ang laki and ang ganda pala dito. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ito yung Titan Court, guys. Tapos, mag-open run sila today. As you can see, nandito yung mga basketball content creators like si Jasper, si Kyle, si Margo. Ang dami nila dito, guys. Yung mga Nike athletes, nandito din, guys. And actually, guys, if makita nyo, suot na nila yung Lebron'S Titan Next Gen Amp. And actually guys, super happy ako na in-invite ako ni Titan kasi parang bumalik yung love ko for basketball. If you guys don't know, naglalaro ako ng basketball nung high school and college. And then I took a break from it kasi nga, alam nyo na, adulting, diba? Nag-iba na yung passion. Pero ngayon parang bumabalik na. Nabubudol na yata ako na bilhin itong Lebron na Titan, yung 5th collaboration nila. So, good luck sa akin. And later guys, mag-unbox ako para sa inyo. Hiram na lang ako ng pair. Yun lang guys, load na muna ako dito. Bye!
So we even had, that was a fourth chapter of our collaborations with LeBron. We were very, very happy with that.
I never lost hope in my basketball dreams, and I'm still working on that now.
I invite everyone to come join us here on this side of the court. Let's get this game started. The finals of the 1-on-1 tournament, Titan X Nike LeBron collaboration. So, first possession, press bracket. High. Here's no. Down
Hi guys! So, we will be doing a short unboxing of this new Titan and Lebron sneaker. Actually guys, inayaw ko si Jasper Reyes to do the unboxing with me, pero ayoko na kasi siya i-disturb. Naglalaro kasi siya. So, ito na guys, ang quick unboxing natin. So, as you can see, this is the pair guys. And fun fact guys, nung high school ako, Lebron basketball shoes din ako. And actually, hindi ko na maalala which silhouette yun. Pero, ibang-iba na talaga yung design niya from before, diba? So, as you can see here, it has a grayish upper. And then, itong part na to guys, it is suede. Dito naman sa side guys, may embroidered siya ng orange swoosh. Tsaka itong parang reflective swoosh na nakapatong yung embroidered. And then at the back guys, may nakalagay na Titan. And the other pair guys, ang nakalagay is Lebron. Dito naman sa kabilang side, parang mirrorized siya na swoosh. Sobrang cool guys. So this is the tongue. Makita mo, nandito yung Titan branding. May nakalagay rin dito na LBJ. So, Lebron branding. And then dito sa loob, guys, ng tongue, I think this is the signature of Lebron. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then inside, guys, yung insole niya, ayan, makita mo na meron siyang parang sky. So, I think it represents hope, which is the whole representation of this sneaker. And then it comes with itong gray laces. Pero meron din siyang nitong orange and then itong yellow. Yeah, I think that's it guys. So, bali 3 laces siya. Yung midsole nga pala niya guys is parang beige off-white siya. Ito yung sole niya. Ang ganda nung details ng sole. So, I think that's it for the unboxing guys. If you're interested with this sneaker, it is available on all Titan stores, online and physical stores. I will pop the price here. So, ano na gawin nyo guys? Cup nyo na to. Pwede siya pang basketball, pwede rin siya pang casual, diba? I think that's it for my unboxing. Let's go! Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! Dani out!